Today, we're going to explore how the crop tool works in Photoshop. I'll guide you through cropping a specific element from one image and integrating it into another. First, I'll open a secondary image on top of our base image. Next, I'll select the crop tool from the toolbar. I want to isolate a bird icon from the second image, but since both images are visible, we need a clean workflow. To do that, I'll convert the second image layer into a smart object. This allows non-destructive editing. Now I'll double-click on the smart object layer to enter its workspace. Using the crop tool, I'll trim the canvas to only include the bird vector. After cropping, I'll go to File Save. This updates the smart object in the main project. Back in the main window, the cropped bird appears perfectly. You can now reposition or resize it as needed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.